Hello guys, and welcome on our YouTube channel ExcelXam. So today we are going to see how to create and modify a macros. So our precedent videos we saw how to examine macros, and today we are going to see how to create them. And we saw that macros are in like a step-by-step instructions that you write on your computer for it to run it at your convenience. So for us to create a macros, we came out with this category of data, and which we are going to use in order to do that. So for that, we are going to click in the view tab, and in the macros group we are going to click on record macro. Now here you can name the macros that you're going to create. So we are going to name it to be ExcelXam, good, our YouTube channel, and then you click on OK. Now upon clicking on OK, you then create your macros, and for that we are going to select cells B3 to cells B7, and let's see. So we are going to render these cells or this group of cells to be in bold, and later on we still go at the level of the view tab, macros group, and we click on stop recording. Now from here you can then view the macros, meaning you still take the same steps, and then you're going to have, okay, let's click on the other side. Good. So let's view our macros. So as you can see, a group of instructions have been created from what we just did some few minutes ago. So you're going to see that the cells we have selected will be bolded and the others will not. So let's then test our code, right? Let's try to test our code. So we are going to close this, and then later on bold these different ones. Good. So let's try to select from B3 to B7, and still in the view tab we click on the macros, view macros, we select the macros we have predefined, and we click on run. Good. So as you can see, the ones we have selected will be bolded. So let's try to test if we can actually rely on it, if this is reliable. So we are going to choose other cells that were not included in our code. Let's say from cell C3 to cell C7, and we undergo the same procedure, the view macros, ExcelXam, and we click on run. Good. So as you can see, it has not modified what has been done on our left hand side or in the category column, just because in our code we selected this group number of cell. Now you can actually edit this code by still undergoing the same procedure, clicking on ExcelXam and clicking on edit. Okay, so let's undergo the same procedure, and then we are going to change, instead of B3 we are going to change C. Okay, so let's change into C, and then we click on save. Okay, if this is done, then select from C3 to C7, and then you run. Okay, good. So this is actually how we can create and modify a macros using Excel. I hope you guys love the video. We have come to the end of our video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe and share, and try to visit all other videos related to macros, because we did other videos related to these, and I think it should be important for you guys to have this knowledge to make your work more efficient and more easier. So let's meet in the next video, and see you later.